I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone app exists and isn't disabled. Open Settings Apps, find Phone, and enable it if needed. Once done, check Play Store for updates or reinstall to restore a broken package. Make sure your launcher allows adding icons. Stock or third-party launchers sometimes lock edits. This first step ensures you're working with a present, updated app and an editable home screen, so the following place. Now go to the app drawer and locate Phone. You can use the search field to speed this up. Long press the phone icon. After a tactile cue, drag it upward toward the home screen and drop it where you want. If you prefer quick access, place it in the dock or inside a folder. Make sure you release when the home page shows an empty slot. If the icon bounces back, try a different slot or remove a conflicting widget first. If the phone icon still won't appear, open Widgets and find the phone shortcut or direct dial widget, then drag it to the home screen and set the contact if prompted. This bypasses missing app icons by creating a functional shortcut. Once done, make sure calling works by tapping it. If problems persist, reset the launcher by clearing its data in Settings Apps or reinstalling the launcher. That refresh fixes corrupted icon caches and restores missing shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.